Hi everyone, this is Akanksha. Today I am making a Gulab Jamun, one of the most favorite sweets in India. So I thought I would share this delicious recipe with you. And did you know the history of the Gulab Jamun? If not, don't worry. I will share the story at the end of the video. Now let's start by making the sugar syrup. So for sugar syrup, I have taken a 1.5 cup of water in a deep pan, and to that I am adding a 2.5 cup of sugar. Let the sugar melt completely. Now I am adding a few cardamom pods. If you have a cardamom powder, so you can also use a pinch of cardamom powder. You may also add a few strands of saffron. Saffron enhance the color and aroma of the sugar syrup, so you can also use it. And while making the sugar syrup, make sure the flame is on the medium stage, and keep stirring continuously. Let the sugar syrup simmer about 10 to 30 minutes until it's reach one thread consistency. Now let's move on the dough. So for the dough I am using a instant Gulab Jamun powder. So now I am start kneading the I have taken a 350 gram of Gulab Jamun powder, and now I am adding a 150 ml of water. You can also use milk instead of water for a richer taste. Now knead it lightly into a soft and a smooth dough. It should not be too sticky or too dry. See the texture of the dough. It look like a very fluffy and it's not getting stick in our hand. Now I cover the dough with the wet cloth or any muslin cloth which you have. Let it be rest for 10 minutes. Now sugar syrup is also done. See the consistency of the sugar syrup. It's kind of one thread consistency. So turn off the flame, keep it aside, and let's move on the another step. Now I am making a small balls. You can adjust the size as per your choice, but do not make them too big, otherwise sugar syrup would not soak in properly and gulab jamun get dry or hard inside. Here I am using a oil, and if you want to use a ghee, so you can also use ghee for a better flavor. Once the oil is hot, gently add the dough ball, and during adding the ball, keep the flame low stage, and frying them slowly and with the very light hand. While making gulab jamun, you need to lots of patience. When you are frying them, the temperature of the oil has to be really correct, so that the gulab jamun are fried evenly and cook from the inside as well. So cooking on a low flame does require a lots of patience. So now fried all the gulab jamun. Now you see the color of the gulab jamun. It's turning into a light golden brown. Now you see the color of the gulab jamun. After around 6 to 7 minutes, the gulab jamun turn a beautiful golden brown color. So this is the exactly color of the gulab jamun. Remove the gulab jamun balls from the oil and drain off all the excess oil. Now dunk the Gulab Jamun balls in a sugar syrup and let them soak for at least 1 hour, so they absorb all the sweetness. And please try this recipe at your home and let me know how it's turned out. After 1 hour, look at the size of the Gulab Jamun. It has literally double in size. All the sugar syrup has been completely soaked in. So see the color and the texture of the Gulab Jamun. Seriously, now my mouth is getting watery. I can't wait to eat them. See the texture and the color of the Gulab Jamun. Now comes to the plating part. Now I'll start making a plating the Gulab Jamun. I have added a silver leaf on the top. It's a chandi varak and used roasted crushed almond as the base. Now look at that. It's so beautiful and tempting. It's kind of eye capturing view. If you have any question about this recipe, please let me know in the comments. And these Gulab Jamun are super soft and absolutely very delicious. Try this in your home and let me know how it is. Now let's talk about the history of the Gulab Jamun. So it might be surprising you to know that Gulab Jamun is not originally an Indian dessert. Yeah, it's true. It's not an Indian dessert. It's believed that a royal chef in Shah Jahan court created a Gulab Jamun and inspired by Persian tradition. And there is also another theory that say Persian invaders introduced it to India and they brought with them round deep fried sweets or kind of fritters, and which is eventually involved into the Gulab Jamun. So we know today's. And the Gulab come from the Persian words Roj, and while Jamun is reference to local fruits, over the time Gulab Jamun become an inseparable parts of our life, and we created a local and hyper local variation of these desserts. Nowadays Gulab Jamun has become a part of Indian festival, weddings and everyday celebration with many regional and local variation across the country. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you the next time with another recipe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.